In this video, we will explore the psychology of inspirational speeches, what makes them effective, and how you can use them to motivate yourself and others. Whether you are a public speaker, a team leader, or just looking for some personal development, this video will provide you with insights and actionable tips to create inspiring messages that resonate with your audience. Before we dive into the practical aspects of creating an inspirational speech, let's first understand the science behind it. According to research, inspirational speeches have the power to activate the brain's reward centers, increase dopamine levels, and trigger positive emotions such as awe, admiration, and hope. They work by appealing to our core values, beliefs, and aspirations, and by providing us with a sense of purpose and direction. Now that we know why inspirational speeches are effective, let's look at the key elements that make them work. An inspiring message should have a clear purpose, a strong emotional appeal, a memorable structure, and an authentic delivery. We will discuss each of these elements in detail and provide you with practical examples to illustrate them. In this scene, we will provide you with a step-by-step process to create an inspiring speech that resonates with your audience. We will cover topics such as understanding your audience, defining your message, creating a powerful hook, providing evidence and examples, and delivering your speech with confidence and authenticity. To inspire you and provide you with some practical inspiration, we will show you some of the most famous and impactful inspirational speeches of all time. From Martin Luther King Jr.'s "I Have a Dream" speech to Steve Jobs' commencement address at Stanford University, these speeches can teach us valuable lessons on how to engage, motivate, and inspire our audiences. In conclusion, understanding the psychology of inspirational speeches is key to creating messages that resonate with your audience, provide them with a sense of purpose and direction, and motivate them to take action. By following the tips and insights we have provided in this video, you can become a more effective public speaker, team leader, or personal development enthusiast. Remember, as Ralph Waldo Emerson said, our chief want is someone who will inspire us to be what we know we could be.